Hi guys, ako nga pala si Mr. Bacon sa Roblox. Tapos andito tayo sa ML part 5 ng ML na natin. Yun guys, antayin nyo bukas yung ano ba yun guys? Part 8. Ay, part 6. Yes. So, ayun nga guys. Gagamitin natin ulit Balmon. Ay, Layla naman guys. Kasi alam ko na din Layla. Pero, hindi ko talaga siya alam. Hindi ko talaga siya alam. Guys, Layla gagamitin natin. Layla guys. Guys, baka maagaw pa si Layla. Kaya guys, Layla na lang tayo. Layla. Yan guys. Yan. Layla ko guys. Guys, meron ako dati ganito green flash. Pero ano lang pala dito pa. So, ayun nga guys. Dito. Ayun guys. Nandito tayo ngayon. Yan guys. Yan muna gamitin natin. Tingnan natin guys kung anong skin ko. Ganyan guys. Yan guys. Yan guys skin ko. Alam ko na din yun guys. Pag may ganyang kulay yellow, alam ko na yan. Yan guys. Ano natin? Popol and Koopa. Yan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the ally reaches the battlefield. Smash them all troops deployed.
Hindi ko na tumiit.
There's a new sheriff in town.
Naghanap tayo kalaban. Okay.
Someone's gotta bring law and order to this forsaken town.
Hindi pwede ako mag-ano sa Tori. Atake.
Wanna see something cool?
Hindi.
Check out this prototype rifle my folks left me.
Hindi. Napatay ko.
Is it too late to get a confession?
Hindi ka na tayo mamatay. Pero guys, hindi ko natin.
The hard way it is.
Hindi yung kaanta namin. Kasi aantayin ko lang. Bumulot dito yung mabaho. Yes guys. Yun lang. Nagkatake sa akin kanina.
Your days of crime are over.
Yun guys, napatay ko namin.
Don't forget who kicked your dusty trail.
Napapatay ko siya. Kasi guys, sinusog ko.
My shining barrel is the executor of justice.
Tinutulungan ako na. Sino ba ito? Akay. Ayun guys. Dito gagamitin
I'll
natin.
throw into
Itong
this
blasto
war.
natin.
Just give it some time.
Okay. Yun na. Yun na guys eh.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, napatay ko guys.
An enemy has
Ay,
been slain.
hindi. Si Akay nakapatay. Kaya lang natin guys.
Dad always said,
Dito tayo guys.
soften and carry a big energy rifle.
Kaya na nga guys. Wala na. Okay.
I was raised in a loving home, so I won't friend to your justice.
Yung guys na patay natin.
An enemy
Ay,
has been
hindi
slain.
pala. Malapit ang mga patay. Yung guys, galing kong umilag.
Lawbreakers better watch out. Ally
Guys,
has been
yung ikan pa natin mapatay. napatay ko sa ano. Pero guys, umuwi na lang siya. Hindi niya kaya. Pero guys,
A glass of milk for the road.
yun guys. Hindi ko na natin mamatay. Guys, tayo namatay. So, yun guys. Nakaganito siya tapos. Yun lang. At guys,
I know just
comment na ba kayo na ngayon lang ako nagamit ulit Layla. Kasi guys, dito hindi siya nagagamit. Sino guys dito sa gitna? Tingnan natin guys. Yung
an enemy has been slain. Dad always
Tingnan ko
said,
guys.
"Be soft,
Si Layla.
blazing gun."
Yun guys. Nakita natin siya tapos. Yan.
Ally has been
I-check natin. Pero guys, hindi niya ako
An enemy
makakain.
has been slain.
Kasi Layla nga ako eh. Kaya guys, aano ko siya sa tower.
Don't underestimate me.
Yun guys.
You have
Yun guys, napatay ko. Si
Is it too late
ano.
to get a confession?
Yun na lang guys. Ito na hero. Si ano nga guys.
Hey bartender, a glass of milk for
Layla.
the road.
Layla. Pero guys, di ko alam pangalan.
An enemy has
Basta.
been slain.
Tapos guys, dito. Dito tayo nakikisama.
Howdy.
O ata dito madaming nakapatay. Ay, napatay. Guys. Gagawin natin kung
No
basta
one's got
ay
bring law and order to this forsaken
Maya.
town. Request bashing your justice.
Yun guys.
I was raised in a loving home, so I won't let the neighbors lose theirs.
Yun guys.
You
Yun guys, napatay ko ulit
back.
yung kalaban.
Betrayal. The enemy has slain
Okay.
the turret destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. My shining barrel is the executor of justice.
Guys, maya papatayin din natin ulit.
I'll grow into this.
Mapapatay ko din yun guys.
Give it some time. Blazing gun.
Yun guys, mapapatay ko na uli. Grabe guys, nakatakas. Yun guys. Nakatakas siya guys eh. Ano? Yun guys. Guys, patayin natin siya. Guys, napatay. Okay. Guys, napatay niya ako. Yun guys.
Our turret is under attack.
So yun guys, si nakaano tapos
Your
yun.
team
Kasi
destroyed the
napatay niya
turret.
ata
You'll
niya.
have a town to clean up.
So dito tayo guys. Dito tayo guys kay Tamus. Yun guys, madaming kalaban. Tapos guys, dito ko napapatay yung isa. Kaya guys,
Blazing your justice.
yun guys, hindi ka na natin maano. Ayun guys, inaatake na tayo.
Killing spree. Double kill. You have slain an enemy.
Yun guys, nakapatay siya. Dalawa. Hindi apat na. Tapos ako nakulina. Yun guys, sobrang galing namin. Dalawa na. Tamus. Tapos yun guys. 15 minutes yung ano
No
natin
one's got to
dito.
bring law and order
Kasi
to this
mas maganda.
forsaken town.
10 minutes.
Blazing gun.
Yun guys. Napapatay na sana natin sila. Ay guys. Nakatakas sila eh. Yun na guys, yun na guys. Malapit na sila, lumalapit. Dito tayo.
Mega kill. That's the end of the line, Buckaroo.
Tapos yun guys. Napatay din siya.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Grabe guys. Grabe, ganun yung kakampi natin. Pharaoh guys.
I was raised in a
Wait lang guys, sa tinatawag ko naman. Ano po yan? Eh, busog po ako. At yun guys, yung kalaban. Yung guys. Yun guys. Yun guys. Ay, grabe na. Na ano kami. Guys.
shut down. Monster
Grabe guys. Ang galing. Ano talaga.
kill.
No guys. Pinapatay. Napatay niyo ako.
You have been slain.
Guys.
Don't give up. Let's try again.
Yun guys. Bye-bye. Next time ulit na part 6. Bye-bye. Thank you sa pag-nood. Bye-bye. Mabubuhay na ako. Bye-bye. See you again.